we begin this edition first up with a big news break that's coming in from the national capital. This is on the Delhi elections with regard to BJP's super freebie plan for the people in the national capital. According to top Republic sources, the BJP is expected to unveil plans for free electricity offering up to 300 units of free power in the national capital. Not just that, additionally, the BJP is also planning to announce 500 units of free power for religious sites as well. Not just that, the party intends to provide free clean water, and this will be to counter AAP's policies in the national capital. So that official announcement is awaited, but let's once again tell you that top sources telling Republic that the BJP is expected to announce free power units for households in the national capital, 300 units of free power that will be supplied in the national capital, and 500 units, power units for religious sites. We have Rakshita joining us live from the newsroom, Suyesha as well, and of course our executive editor for politics also joining us from the newsroom. First up, let's go across to Rakshita. Rakshita, this is a major announcement that is anticipated, of course. First up, tell us about what sources are telling Republic and when can we really expect this official announcement to come in?
Well, it's a fight over freebies that is now breaking out right ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, and this decision was taken at the BJP headquarters in a meeting led by JP Nadda, the BJP president.
And we are breaking this information first, and it's a very, very massive information which is coming in, and we need to understand what is happening here. BJP is sensing victory in Delhi. For the first time in the last 11 years, we have to understand BJP Delhi unit, without a face, they are going with the leadership of the Prime Minister, and after victory in Haryana, they feel they can really defeat the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal seems fluttered, but simultaneously, the biggest question was, will Aam Aadmi Party be countered by the BJP's freebies? So what BJP is coming up, according to our sources tomorrow, and there's a press conference at 6:15 by the BJP state president, and then also the Member of Parliament Manoj Tiwari, where we are being told some indications can be given, but the official announcement of this can happen anytime tomorrow or day after. But the big part is, if Aam Aadmi Party, Rakshita, is giving 1, BJP is ready to give X raised to power 2. Supposedly, if Aam Aadmi Party said we are going to give free 200 units of electricity to every household, BJP is trying to implement 300 for every common household and 500 free units for every religious place. So that's the point, Arth, that we are getting right now, that BJP is ready to counter with X raised to power 2. And that is going to be very, very difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, clearly Aishwarya rightly mentioned, it's freebies versus freebies into two when it comes to AAP versus BJP right ahead of the Delhi polls. And we saw earlier also how Aam Aadmi Party and their freebie schemes on a very regular, or a series of freebie schemes. And now the BJP is all out, going to counter these particular freebies. And viewers, we are bringing to you all the exclusive updates of this freebies versus double freebies battle that has broken out right ahead of the Delhi polls.
And the big part, Rakshita, is going to be the press conference now, which is going to be by the BJP Delhi State President and Manoj Tiwari within the next few minutes.
Absolutely, of course. So that's Republic TV's super exclusive viewers, and we will be, of course, Orna will be debating tonight at 9 p.m. as well. So that's a big information that is coming in ahead of the Assembly election. The major announcement, as Aishwarya was pointing out, could be made tomorrow in the press conference. And of course, this is a fight over freebies in Aishwarya. We've seen time and again there has been the issue of freebies that has also gone to the courts. But this time again, we see that BJP could be now mulling to make it a part of its campaign.
Because they are smelling victory, Rakshita. As for the first time in the last 11 years, a decade, BJP feels that they can defeat the Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party is victorious in MCD. They have MCD with them. They have the Vidhan Sabha with them. So now they have no more to blame the BJP. The only one they can blame is the LG. And that is also, that doesn't seem to be working. Arvind Kejriwal had been behind bars in the liquor scam. He's out now. That didn't work. Sympathy wave did not come, viewers, in the 2024 general elections. And hence, BJP feels that this time around they have a real chance to defeat Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi. And if that happens, that's going to be a knuckle right in the back of the Aam Aadmi Party. Because if they lose Delhi, then it is nothing like it. But then it's the Aam Aadmi Party. They understand it's most important for them. And they are going to come with a counter, viewers. Let's be very clear. If BJP today decides and announces tomorrow, Rakshita and Arth and Samiksha, which is in the studio, then we are breaking this information first on Republic Network, that if BJP announces within the next 24 hours that this is what they are going to do, will Aam Aadmi Party counter with a better deal? And the beneficiary are the people of Delhi. If Aam Aadmi Party is announcing X, BJP is announcing X raised to power 2, Samiksha, and then we have to see, because this is a tussle. It's like a tennis game. Aam Aadmi Party is saying X, BJP is saying X raised to power 2. It can again be done by the Aam Aadmi Party and said, okay, we are going to give 400 and then 600. So will BJP increase that? So it's a tussle. But the beneficiary are the people of Delhi, and they are going to have a really, really exciting election this time around. Back to you guys.
Well, let's not forget also the limitations on Arvind Kejriwal as the chief minister, as a possible chief minister of Delhi, which was established by the court. Remember, Aishwarya, there are limitations with regard to him entering the Delhi Secretariat. So the battle between AAP and BJP...
That part is done, Arth. Now it is on the ground. Now it is on the ground, and that's why you see when they go to Rakshita, the fight is among the people, and that's why these schemes are for the people. So people are benefiting, but then BJP's stand has been anti-freebies. So how far can they go, Arth, if we can get Rakshita on this also?
Absolutely, of course. That was what we were talking about. That all throughout we've seen all the top leadership of the BJP also, speaking against, criticizing the freebie culture as it's called. But right now, of course, as Aishwarya was very rightly pointing out, that this could be, of course, the BJP's chance to, after decades, return to power in Delhi, and it could be making a big announcement as this possible freebie fight could be unfolding in the national capital. Back to you in the studios.
Yes, Rakshita, stay with us. Let's go across to Aishwarya again. Aishwarya, essentially, it's going to be, it has been rather development plank versus the freebie model of the Aam Aadmi Party. If you can talk to us about how this freebie model has essentially failed all these years and how much of this could turn out in favor of the BJP if that announcement does come in over the next few hours.
Well, I'm afraid Samiksha Aishwarya is not here, but yes, Arth is right now with me. And Arth, of course, we've seen that time and again, we've seen ever since Aam Aadmi Party has come to power, one of the most important part of its manifesto has been these populist schemes, has been the welfare schemes and such freebie announcement. This time also we've seen they have taken it to a different level, like the salaries for the sadhus. We've seen the salaries for the priests, the granthis and the pujaris also. And now the BJP has come with a counter, and this time, of course, we can only understand that this is a fight that is only heating up ahead of the elections.
Rightly mentioned, Rakshita, once again what Aishwarya said. It's a clear freebies versus freebies in Delhi ahead of the very heated polls. And like Rakshita mentioned, the whole scheme which Aam Aadmi Party introduced, the Pujari Granthi Samman Yojana. And furthermore, not only that, Aam Aadmi Party also has introduced schemes like the Dr. Ambedkar Samman Scholarship Yojana, which the BJP has targeted many a times, calling it out, saying that these schemes are nothing but basic freebies. And now, like Aishwarya also mentioned, this is a people's election in Delhi that we are seeing, and a clear freebies versus freebies has broken out. Back to the studio, Samiksha.
Yes, Arth, if you can keep talking to us, tell us more about these schemes which have been announced over the last few weeks by the Aam Aadmi Party, focusing on the women voters. They say that 2,100 rupees is going to be transferred to the accounts of women in the national capital each month. Tell us about how feasible it is, one, and how much has the AAP been able to comply, rather fulfill the promises it has made all these years?
Yes, of course, that's the question to you. About the welfare schemes for the women, like the Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana scheme that has been announced by the Aam Aadmi Party, and several other populist schemes. Aishwarya is also back with us. And Aishwarya, of course, we're talking...
Scheme. Let's be very clear. It is going to be scheme versus scheme. It is just not about electricity, water units. You are going to see about the health scheme. You are going to see about roads. Whatever the Aam Aadmi Party has promised to the people in this election, BJP is going to go with race to power 2. How far will the BJP go, or will Aam Aadmi Party come with a counter strike? We are trying to get a BJP and an Aam Aadmi Party representatives on air right now as we speak to you. But it's for the first time I can sense that in the last 10, 11 years, Rakshita and Samiksha, that BJP feels that they can win. And that's why I am stressing on, because the BJP Delhi unit seems to be the weakest in the country for the last decade. And BJP has worked, Amit Shah has worked, Jagat Prakash Nadda has been having series of meetings in the last 4-5 days on this. Ticket distribution has happened. You have not one, but 2 or 3 former MPs who have been, who were denied tickets and now have been put in in the foray for the MLA position. So it's going to be very interesting. How far is BJP ready to take this freebie fight? Because Aam Aadmi Party, if sources are to be believed, is ready with a backup plan of race to Part 3. If BJP does it to 2, Aam Aadmi Party is going to go to race to Part 3, and that is going to become very interesting. But at this point of time, this is the breaking news which is coming on Republic right now, that BJP is ready to play the freebie game with the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. Over to both of you.
Well, Aishwarya, but the question here is that will the politics of freebies actually benefit the people? The question here is that when we see an election
Aam
which
Aadmi
is...
Party has been winning in Delhi on the issue of freebies itself, because last time when you saw Arvind, because BJP has got momentum, Rakshita, Anarth and Samiksha, because when Arvind Kejriwal was behind bars in the liquor scam, despite that there was no sympathy, zero sympathy for them. He did not got one member of parliament seat in Delhi, and that has literally given a boost to the BJP Delhi unit that this time they can do it. And that's why they have convinced their central leadership, which has been technically against this freebie schemes, but they have convinced their central unit that this is what we need. How much of that is going to be officially announced, we have to wait and watch for. But this is the big information which is coming on right now on Republic, that BJP is ready to increase the freebie scheme by twice the numbers, race to Part 2 of whatever the promises have been made by Aam Aadmi Party. That's not only limited to electricity, water supply, but to health scheme, roads, housing, anything you name, whatever Aam Aadmi Party has promised, BJP has ready to take it to race to Part 2. Over to both.
Well, Rakshita, what Aishwarya was just now talking about, the whole negotiation dynamic between BJP's Delhi unit and the central leadership over the issue of freebies. What is your take and what is your 2 cents on this particular...
We've seen, there have been freebie models in certain states that have not really worked. If we talk about Karnataka, we talk about Himachal, there have been many promises that have been made by several of the governments, if we talk about, but they haven't been fulfilled, and we see that they've literally had the eggs on their faces when it comes to making such empty promises. But when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party, that, as Aishwarya was just pointing out, it has really worked for Arvind Kejriwal, the 2-time chief minister. Of course, right now it is Atishi, but it has worked for Aam Aadmi Party. The populist schemes, of course, it plays out differently in every state. Karnataka would vote on another state, would vote a union territory like Delhi, a cosmopolitan city like Delhi. It votes differently, and for now it has worked. We'll of course have to see what really happens in that announcement.
Yes, I will just come across to both of you again, but let's also take a word from Sanjay Mishra. He's a political analyst joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Mishra, if that announcement does come in from the BJP, if it announces 300 units of free power to all households in the national capital, can we really expect the Aam Aadmi Party also to come up with a counter to the freebie announcement by the BJP for the people in the national capital?
नहीं, देखिए, इसमें बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि आम आदमी पार्टी, और इससे पहले मैं एक बात क्लियर करना चाहता हूं कि आप बीजेपी हो या कांग्रेस हो, कि जितनी भी बड़ी पॉलिटिकल पार्टियां हैं, यहाँ दिख रहा है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की नीतियों को एडॉप्ट करने का काम कर रहे हैं, उनके नीतियों पे काम करने का प्रयास करें। मतलब स्पष्ट है कि जो आम आदमी पार्टी जो नियति है, जो सोच है, वो सकारात्मक है और जनता इसे जानती है। इसलिए दिल्ली की जनता को पता है कि बीजेपी जो कमिटमेंट कर रही है वो सिर्फ चुनाव के लिए कर रही है, जबकि अरविंद केजरीवाल का कमिटमेंट फुलफिल करने के लिए होता है। और जितनी भी कमिटमेंट उन्होंने किया है, यदि अरविंद केजरीवाल के फ्रीबीज का नाम देने वाले प्रधानमंत्री जी, जो आज स्वयं दिल्ली की कमान संभालने के लिए आए हैं, वो फ्रीबीज की बात कैसे कर सकते हैं? मतलब जनता को पता है कि वो फर्जी काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग, मतलब एक तरह से झांसा देने का काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग दिल्ली की जनता को, जिसके छलावे में दिल्ली की जनता नहीं आएगी। उसे पता है ये मैथमेटिक्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ अरविंद केजरीवाल के पास है कि दिल्ली की जनता को फ्री बिजली, फ्री पानी, महिलाओं के लिए बस की सुविधा हो, या ग्रंथी और पुजारियों के लिए योजना हो, या मौलवियों के लिए योजना हो, महिला सम्मान योजना हो, या वृद्ध सम्मान योजना हो, स्वास्थ्य का मामला हो, इस पे सिर्फ आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल काम कर सकते हैं। कांग्रेस और बीजेपी इस पे काम नहीं कर सकती है। ये स्पष्ट रूप से दिल्ली की जनता को पता है।
जी, Mishra ji, appreciate, thank you for speaking to us. So that was Sanjay Mishra, political analyst, giving his views on the announcement that we are expecting. But let's go across to Rakshita again. Rakshita, for the viewers also who are just tuning in, if you can once again break it down for us, what sources are telling Republic about that announcement that could come in from the BJP in hours from now, or maybe tomorrow morning, one. And also, if you can run us through how the freebie model of the Aam Aadmi Party seems like a failure, given that several of those promises have not essentially been fulfilled by the AAP in Delhi.
Well, of course, there have been, but when we talk about the electricity factor, I mean, the electricity promise that has been fulfilled by the Aam Aadmi Party, and that has been one of the topmost, popular schemes that have been introduced and promised, and they have, of course, worked somewhere for the Aam Aadmi Party in the past two elections, if we see, Samiksha, and this time around, as pointed out earlier by political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, that this is a BJP's chance that it could act on the anti-incumbency working. This could be their chance for a return to the throne of Delhi, and henceforth they will be announcing whatever announcement they will be making will be something that they do twice to that what Aam Aadmi Party is already offering.
Yes.
If you see,
Rakshita, I'm sorry, I'll have to interrupt you again, but we are also being joined by Nikhil Jain. He's a political analyst joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Jain, sources are telling Republic that the BJP could come up with a freebie announcement for people in the national capital. Your first statement, and also do you think the Congress is nowhere in the picture, because we've not heard from our Congress so far as to what is its plan for the people in the national capital?
No, first of all, let me correct you on that the Congress is in the picture. In fact, Congress is the party that came out with 48 candidates way before the BJP could announce its candidates. Also, the Congress has also promised this 2,500 rupees scheme for women in the city. So it's not like the Congress is not coming out with promises or issues, or, is not reaching out to the people. Many of the candidates, whether it's Alka Lamba, Sandeep Dixit, and a bunch of others, are very actively campaigning on the ground. So far as the BJP announcing these soft, what do you call them, freebies, social welfare measures, or in the words of the Prime Minister, if you call them reveries,
Mr. Jain,
that's not at all surprising.
Mr. Jain, point taken, but also the point being that Kejriwal does not even consider Congress a rival in the national capital. Appreciate you for taking out time and speaking to us.